Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about molecular organization of chromosomes. डुप्रे और हेंसरीज ने बताया था कि यूकैरियोट में क्या होता है कि ईच क्रोमेटिड is formed of a single greatly elongated and highly folded fiber of DNA with its associated protein. This is known as unistrand concept. तो क्रोमेटिन जो होता है जो वो 60% तो प्रोटीन का बना हुआ होता है, 35% डीएनए और 5% आरएनए होता है. द डीएनए इज द लार्जेस्ट क्रोमोसोम ऑफ ड्रोसोफिला इज अबाउट 4 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग विथ ए मॉलिकुलर वेट ऑफ 80 into 10⁻⁹. Deoxyribonucleic acid. The DNA molecule of individual human chromosomes ranges from 1.7 to 8.5 centimeter in length. When uncoiled, it contains 50 into 10⁶ to 250 into 10⁶ nucleotide pairs of DNA. The information stored in DNA is organized, replicated, and read by a variety of DNA binding proteins. Therefore, proteins associated with DNA fall into two categories, histones and non-histones. Structural protein or packaging proteins, these are non-specifically binding proteins. They bound to DNA along its length and help to package it without preventing the access of other DNA binding protein. These are basic proteins called histones. Histones are main structural protein found in eukaryotic cells. These are low molecular weight protein with high proportion of positively charged amino acid, basic amino acids, arginine and lysine. The positive charge help histones to bind to DNA and play a crucial part in packing long DNA molecules. Types of histones. There are 5 different types of histones that fall into two categories. Nucleosomal histones. There are 8 molecules of 4 type of small proteins. These are responsible for coiling of DNA into nucleosome. These are H2A into 2, H2B into 2, H3 into 2 and H4 into 2. I repeat, H2A, H2B, H3, H4 both in 2 quantity. Each of them is form of about 102 से 135 एमिनो एसिड लॉन्ग होते हैं और ये इनर कोर बनाते हैं न्यूक्लियोसोम की. Nucleosome histones are very similar in different species. These are present in equimolar amount, 2 of each type being present for every 200 base pair. Thus, they form an histone octamer or core particle. H1 histones, these are large and are tissue specific. They are present 1 per 200 base pair. These are loosely associated with DNA. H1 histones are responsible for packing of nucleosome into 30 nm fiber. Functions of histones. Histones in eukaryotic chromosomes serve two functions. These either serve as a structural element and help in coiling and packing of long DNA molecules, and these cover or repress specific segment of DNA so that these segments are unable to transcribe. So these are called heterochromatin regions. Their transcription is possible only by the dissolution of histones in response to certain molecular signals. Nucleosomes. Nucleosomes are the fundamental packing unit of chromatin and give chroma in the beads on a string appearance. Each nucleosome is disc-shaped about 11 nm in diameter. It consists of core particle and small spacer or linker DNA. Core particles are made up of H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Octamer होता है ये और 11 nm diameter में होता है और a strand of DNA having 146 base pair is tightly wrapped around this core forming 2 circles यानी 73 nucleotide per turn. जैसा आप डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं स्पेसर लिंकर डीएनए क्या होता है स्मॉल सेगमेंट होता है 4 बेस पेयर का 1 यूनिट ऑफ हिस्टोन H1 is associated with it and the length of spacer region in different species varying from 1 base pair to about 81 pairs in sea urchin sperm. Histone H1 molecule has a globular central region with 2 arms, one ending with amino terminal and other with carboxyl terminal. H1 molecule bind through its globular portion to unique side of a nucleosome. The arm extend to contact other side on the stone core of adjacent nucleosome. Thus nucleosome are pulled together in a closely packed regularly repeating array. ये याद रखिए कि ये repeating unit है और एवरेज जो होता है 200 बेस पेयर पे ये रिपीट होती है. तो जैसे ह्यूमन सेल में 6 × 10⁻⁹ डीएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड है तो 3 × 10⁻⁷ न्यूक्लियोसोम्स होंगे. अब न्यूक्लियोसोम पैकिंग और न्यूक्लियोसोम जो होते हैं वो पैकिंग होते हैं एक दूसरे से, तो एक क्रोमेटिन फाइबर बनाते हैं, न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन फाइबर विथ ए डायमीटर ऑफ 30 nm. क्योंकि ये एकदम रिपीटिंग सिमिलर ऑक्टामर की यूनिट होती है तो ये एक फाइबर टाइप बना लेते हैं. और दिस इज बीड्स आर क्रोमोसोम्स और दे आर कनेक्टेड बाय लिंकर डीएनए. The 11 nm nucleoprotein fiber represents the first level of organization of chromatin as seen in interphase nucleus. This type of packing requires one molecule of stones H1 per nucleosome. H1 gives polarity to chromatin fibers. This 30 nm fiber is called solenoid. Inside the cells, this solenoid is further folded and packed into supersolenoid of 30 nm diameter. In mitotic chromosomes, the supersolenoid is further condensed to produce final shape and dimension of metaphase or anaphase chromosome. In metaphase chromosome, the two daughter DNA molecules are separately folded to produce two sister chromosomes called sister chromatins held together by a sister centromere.